Yay, so now we're done. Hello, Eliza and Marie Chris. So now we're walking papuntang Kota Beach and I am a bit shocked sa lahat. Ang dami ng estudyante. So they actually basically have a good education, no? So just few steps away, meron ng paaralan, and the church, and then the market, and then the beach. So both local and tourist talaga yung matatarget nila with their small cafe. So while we're walking sa beach, we also saw this place. We also took some pictures and thought also of doing some market check sa mga competitors nila in the area. But again, ang daming market dito. And ang cute na mga dogs. They're really so happy by the beach. Ang daming asong happy dito sa Bantayan Island. Now, so there are actually two approaches, no, with regards to identifying the location of your small cafe. So, unang-una, it could be a location na definite na. Meaning, alam mo na kung saan yung lugar. It could be because it's in your home. So, plano mong gawin lang or mag-operate lang sa bahay. Or perhaps you already have an existing business and then you wanna transform it to a cafe. Or perhaps meron ka ng existing business pero gusto mong dagdagan at mag-sell ng coffee. Or it could be then that you have an extra vacant lot and then you would want to transform it also into a small cafe. That's the first one. Yung second naman is hindi pa definite yung space, meaning maghahanap ka pa kung saan mo ilalagay or ipupwesto yung small cafe mo. Now, for these two approaches, I basically have the same common tip for it, which would be dapat dun sa mga location na yon merong market for your small cafe. So when I say merong market is merong bibili ng kape mo. So there is a ready market or perhaps meron kang pwedeng pagbentahan ng kape mo. So let's say it's on the approach one which is your location is definite. Sige, sa bahay ka pagbebenta ng coffee or you already have an existing business, magdadagdag ka lang or meron kang bakanteng lote, but make sure na yung bahay mo merong yung mga neighbors mo talagang bibili. Or if you would approach or if you would put in delivery riders or third party, yung Food Panda or Grab, make sure yung bahay mo would be accessible. 'Di ba? Kasi baka pahirapan yung pagpasok and yung riders mismo mahihirapan. And then, if vacant lot naman, make sure din na it's accessible kasi baka ang layo. And baka wala nang market in that area na open for coffee in a cafe setup. So, it doesn't really mean na meron ka ng sariling lugar or sa bahay ka lang or sa'yo yung lupa. It's already an advantage. The challenge talaga doon is for you to be able to find a market in that area. While for the second naman na approach, which is the location is yet to be identified, for me, it's a lot easier kasi you just have to identify your specific target market. Let's say, yung gusto mong pagbentahan is mga estudyante, so humanap ka lang ng space na marerentahan na malapit sa eskwelahan. Or let's say if you want to target the working professionals, then look for a space near a business center. So again, with any of the two approaches, may that be a location is already definite or hahanapin mo pa, always dapat magkasabay talaga and would go hand in hand yung location and then yung market. Kasi nonsense yung location, yung maganda yung pwesto, maganda yung aesthetic ng cafe mo, tapos wala palang pumupunta kasi walang market in that area. I discuss more of this in my Small Coffee Business Academy. So if you want to learn, this is, I think, 2 lessons inside. If you want to learn more, go to this link. If the academy is open and you're watching this, na open siya, hope you can join kasi I only open this once in 3 months. And every time, nag-i-increase siya ng price. So, if you're watching this na naka-open, hope you can join. You would know naman kasi when you click in the link, it would say join now. If it's closed, it would say join the waitlist. Okay? So, hope you can join once it's open. So, if open siya ngayon while you're watching this, then hope to see you inside the Small Coffee Business Academy. Now, if you're planning to open a small cafe and you're looking for a barista training, please stop. And here's a video why you should stop looking for a barista training specifically if you want to start a small cafe. And I'll see you in this video.